Cold winds blow, leaving many grappling with an unwelcome guest, the dry cough. How can one show it the door? Simple, swift solutions await. First, honey, nature's sweet elixir, coats the throat, soothing irritation. Stir a spoonful into warm water, sipping it slowly. Next, hydration, not just water, but herbal teas, fruit juices, even broth. They moisten the throat, easing the cough. Also, steam inhalation, a hot shower or a bowl of steaming water and a towel. The warmth and moisture can work wonders. Lastly, avoid irritants, smoke, dust, cold air. They're all invitations for the dry cough to linger. Remember, sometimes a cough isn't just a cough. If it persists, seek medical advice. Health, after all, is wealth. That's 60 seconds of wisdom for a cough-free existence. Until next time, take care.